Hey, I'm Vishal Sarkar, known as the Excellence Guy and author of Speak with Confidence, Present with Excellence. On 30th November and 1st December, we are doing an event called Present Like a Champ Bootcamp. This is my signature event where I show corporate professionals and aspiring speakers how they can speak with confidence and how they can present like a champ so that they can create a better impact, a brighter impression, and a bigger income as a professional. As a professional, it's really important for you to learn how to speak with confidence and how to present with excellence. Now, you might think, okay, I know how to speak and present, and that's absolutely fine. If you know everything, hey, go to another website. But remember this is one thing that I say to people all the time. I say everybody can speak and present. I mean, you learn that in school and college. When you join a company, they teach you the skills, how to, speak and present. So everybody can tell you how to speak and present, but very few people know how to connect. How to connect with your audience, how to connect with your leaders, how to connect with your employees when you're presenting to them. That's really important. And another thing I tell people is that without connection, there cannot be any persuasion. And that's the reason so many wonderful folks come to us to learn how to present like a champ and how to connect with audience. I mean, just because if you know how to talk doesn't mean that you are giving effective presentation. Because I often say again that great public speaking is not about perfection. Great public speaking is about making a connection. My question to you right now is that are you really making a connection with your audience every single time that you're speaking? I mean, what if I could tell you right now that, okay, listen, man, you have to go and give a presentation in about 15 minutes. If I have to tell you that, will you be confident? Do you know the content? Do you know how to structure your presentation in next 15 minutes? Do you know how to deliver it so that your audience members really love you? Do you know how to add humor? Do you know how to speak impromptu? Do you? Maybe you do, maybe you don't. I did not know these skills for a long time. I learned it, over the years. Now, from a long time, I teach these skills to people, and that's why, I'm so happy and blessed to work with so many people, maybe just like you, who come to us to learn about these presentation skills and how to present like a champ and take their career to a whole new level. Hey, I want to do the same thing for you. So if you haven't checked out the website already, it's right below, vishalsarkar.com. Go there, see the training, what we have offered on the website. And if you think it's a good thing for you, hey, give us a call. We will see if you are actually a good fit for this course and if this course is a good fit for you. I look forward to seeing you at Present Like a Champ Bootcamp. Hey, whatever you do, remember that you need to make a connection with your audience every single time. Before you can educate, before you can inform, before you can inspire, you have to connect with your audience. So learn how to connect with your audience. And if you want to learn more, see you at Present Like a Champ Bootcamp on 30th November and 1st December, right there in Bangalore at Koramangala Club, which is right in Koramangala. I hope to see you there, 30th November and 1st December. By the way, if you're getting married on 30th November or 1st December, change your marriage date. Change your marriage date. You have to be there at Present Like a Champ Bootcamp. So I hope to see you there. My name is Vishal Sarkar. I'm here to remind you one thing, that great public speaking is not about perfection. It's about connection. Take care, huh?